Antonio. See what he up to. So he drilling out spot wheels. Check out the snap on like his expensive life at work. It's nice. So yeah, he drilling out the spot wheels. We took the rear body off. This what is it? Honda Accord? Yeah, Honda Accord. We took the rear body off. And then when we got the new one, brand new one, OEM, we put it back. We do the wheels again and on to the next step. So I just set it up. It's one of my employee's birthday today, so we about to go surprise him in the office and do a he don't like cake, so we got him a cheesecake and we're gonna sing happy birthday to him. So I just told the dude to come on in the office, and then I don't know where he went. Maybe he went to wash his hands, I don't know. But we're waiting on him to get here, and then we're gonna sing happy birthday. So he's on his way now. He think we doing hours, so as soon as he get here, just happy birthday.
Oh no! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Antonio. Happy birthday to you.
Wait.
Blow out.
One candle. Don't blow your breath out.
All right, go this candle.
Right. COVID precautions. So,
just pick them out.
Tiffany actually set all this up, so yeah, she set it all up for you, so you should feel very special.
Bam! He did it.
Yeah, good job. Look at that.
Yep.
Oh, there's some weird looking candy.
Hold on, you gotta be 21.
21.
Yeah, you gotta be 21 if you.
Yeah. See, I was looking at that. 40 still look good.
Boy.
Oh my goodness.
What y'all think? You two? You think 40 still look good?
Yeah, you know, in my family, you know, we look young for our
Did
age.
he call himself? Oh, he said he gonna get this when this gold tea coming. What'd you say?
I'll be on my way to be a silver fox.
This guy here.
I'm through with him.
Oh, I don't have to cut.
I got gray hairs already.
You don't have to cut. It's already cut.
United Full Bloom.
I mean, I don't know how y'all
This
do
guy.
it.
You got it all in my day. Youngest employee ever.
Get
You guys on the camera, man.
Ace, man. Get him. Shoot.
Youngest employee ever right here.
Who you talking about?
Myself. Are y'all gonna
Seen
use
this
this?
probably. Most of these cars are either completed or gone. I'm just taking it because I have the lineup here. So I'm gonna show y'all, give y'all a little glimpse into what we do. Now this is not a typical weekend. Just typically, I don't have this quality of vehicle here every week. But this week, this month is just starting off. Just wait till we do the Lamb.
The Lamb not getting any
No, we're gonna go red with the calipers on the Lamb, and then
do them over.
what the red? No, it just I mean it just doesn't pop like it. Like you can see a clear difference. I'll see if I can see on the camera. You can see a clear difference between when we do calipers and like when the factory does calipers. And these are Lamborghini calipers, so you know it's not that they don't use a good product. The product is good, it's powder coated, but powder coat doesn't shine as hard as the paint that we use. So, but they're going the same color. The Lamb and the, so I'm gonna send a picture of this R8 to the guy. Everybody just taking pictures of the lineup. Like I said, this isn't really, you know, the typical lineup. We do a lot of high-end cars, but they come in like spurts. Like I might get, you know, a car in January, a car in February, but not like this, you know. So it's just, man, the journey that we've been on to get here, and like I say, the more I post on YouTube, the more y'all are gonna see the journey. So like for me, man, I come from a small town, Lottie, Louisiana, where you don't even see cars like this, let alone work on them. Like, you don't see them. They don't, I mean, it just, even in Baton Rouge, it's unlikely to see a lot of these. Like a vintage store, we probably have 5 vintage stores in the whole city. This probably gonna be, one of no more than 10 R8s. Rolls Royces, no more than 10. And like I say, this is in a whole city, and I'm being modest. So it's just, man, it's a dream. It's a dream. Like, looking back, and man, it's like I don't even know how to describe it, because it's kind of like what we've always wanted to do. Come and check it out, huh?
Yeah, man.
Check out the lineup, man. Check out the lineup.
Yeah, I got line.
Oh yeah, hey, you gotta check it out, man.
Oh yeah.
Real lineup. Ain't no knock on. No, that ain't new.
That's a brand new. God damn. What up, y'all? Y'all feel it? What's up, Doc? Like that mobile, bro. Yeah, you really got a sick.
Yeah. This is an Audi R8.
R8?
Yep, an R8.
Y'all sprayed this one?
We didn't spray it, we vinyl wrapped it, so that's all vinyl.
This all mine?
Yep, it looked like paint. It looked like paint, but nah, it's all vinyl.
It's gray?
Yeah, yeah. In the sunlight, you'll see like a little brownish or a little, you see the flakes in it for
I see
sure.
the flakes in it.
Yep,
Man.
yep, yep.
Yeah, I did y'all thing on that.
Yep. Huh? Oh, that package?
Yeah, I did y'all thing.
So,
like that, what y'all gonna do with the Lambos?
wrap it. So
Wrap it
he
the
came and he saw the R8 and he actually wanted the same color. So we go do them the same color. Yeah. That color's a bad color, man. Especially for a car like that.
That's what it's saying. It's gonna look like straight steel.
Yeah. Imagine, you know, that car with that color and all the blacked out. Yeah. We're not gonna do the yellow. We're gonna keep it red. But yeah, that combo. Yeah, that combo. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. So. Yeah, you don't see too many lineups like that. I was just saying that. You don't see too many lineups like this for sure.
That's yours?
For sure. Yeah, so that's the one we rent. It's been rented for the last, what, 3 months?
That's the one that be back there, huh?
It was rented for the last 3 months.
Oh, yeah.
So, you know, I'm trying to work, man. I'm trying to have these things work.
Oh, yes, indeed. I like I say, you put the hood back on it.
Yeah. Now, that's not the same one. That's not the gray one.
Oh.
The gray one is back there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the gray one, I wasn't renting out because that was a stick. This automatic.
Oh, okay.
That's actually an automatic stick. Yeah. They just came out with the auto, so.
Okay.
Yep.
I gotta make me a commercial.
Yeah, hey, exactly, man.
That's our already number. See you sponsoring on it.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna sponsor this one. I'm gonna sponsor this one. All right, man. Appreciate it.